Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix overheating issues on the Samsung S25 Plus. So if your phone gets too hot during normal use, gaming or charging, I'll guide you through many effective solutions to cool it down. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, you need to close all the unused apps by you that are running in the background because it can make your phone overheat. So how you can do that is by sliding your finger from the bottom to the top, and after you do that, here are all the apps that are running in the background. Now click on close all, and as you guys can see, now all of them are closed. And now what you need to do is avoid the phone while charging, because using your phone during charging, especially for gaming or video streaming, it generates another heat that we do not want. So make sure to avoid gaming or watching videos. You need to use the original Samsung charger and cable to prevent overheating, because many chargers make that, and you need to keep your phone on a cool surface so it doesn't overheat even more. Now what you guys can try is reducing the screen brightness and the refresh rate. How you can do that is basically heading into settings. Now what you need to do is go to display, which is right here, and now here you can change the brightness simply by sliding, and after you enter the motion smoothness, here set it to standard. It will be 60 Hz instead of 120, but your phone will not be overheating as much. Now simply click on apply. And now what you can try is changing the screen resolution by just like that. As you guys can see, now as you guys can see, it says basic visuals and lowest battery use. Now click on apply, and as you guys can see, there is barely any difference, but it can make your phone even faster or running smoother, and it won't overheat as much. Now, what you guys can try is disable the unnecessary features like location, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and even more from the background. So how you do that is you go to settings, head over to connections, and here disable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the NFC and contactless payments. Now what you can try is making sure that the location here is also disabled. And now what you need to do is, if your phone is charging or not, make sure that it's removed from the case and kept in a cool place, because if your case is thick, it traps heat, making the phone even hotter. So make sure to remove the phone case while charging or gaming. You need to avoid direct sunlight to your phone or some hot environments, and make sure to place the phone on a cool hard surface instead of a bed or a couch. What you can also try is updating the software and the apps, and how you do that is basically you go into settings and now scroll all the way down until you see software update. Make sure that it's running. As you guys can see, make sure that it's running the latest update. And as you guys can see, if it's not, then simply click on download and install. And what you can do is basically check for app updates on the Play Store right here. And after you do that, your phone was overheating, but now it shouldn't. So let me know in the comments if you have any other issues, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.